a cooking thing. I used to make a Kid Bobby Flay cooking stuff, and it was really awesome. And unfortunately, they won't ever get posted to the Orange Towel because the camera quality was horrible back then when I used to have a little iPod that did it. It was horrible. Now I got a real decent camera. So right now I'm just browning the meat. Today we're making shepherd's pie, as you saw in the title. Nixon's just filming this for his own little vlog thing that he likes to do sometimes. They're just good for family memories and stuff like that. So right now we're just browning up the meat. So the ingredients for this is quite simple. If you don't like the smell of browning up your meat, usually you put some pepper and maybe some salt, depending on your taste.
You didn't put on your thing this year.
This time, not year. Thing. Anyway.
I do this all the time, baby.
So, you put some garlic salt in there. Because usually, usually the smell of meat isn't that nice when you're browning it. So put in some garlic salt, and you can add in a bit of soy sauce. Should we add in some soy sauce? Yeah, so you can add in a bit of soy sauce instead of salt if you have that kind of taste. But yeah, so
Okay.
oh man. So here are the ingredients. As you saw, some soy sauce. We'll probably tell you the ingredients as we go along. But yeah, so
Yo, I got a better camera now.
So yeah, just as I've said like 50 times now. Pepper, garlic, salt, and soy sauce, really good when you are sauteing your meat, because meat, when you're browning it, it doesn't really taste the nicest. So it's really nice to have some other spices to bring out the smell, because meat really it doesn't have the nicest smell when it's just straight up meat, but when you have some garlic in there and some soy sauce, it's actually really nice.
And when you're actually eating it and it's actually done, that would taste good.
Yeah. So while I'm browning up the meat, yeah. So I might as well just tell you the rest. So once this is fully browned, excuse me, Master Chef, can you please? Is this brown enough for you? Okay, so the meat is getting really nice. It should be ready in maybe another minute or so. So, yeah, it's looking pretty nice. Let's just make sure that there's no more pink in here. Nice. Okay. Oh, it's getting really steamy.
Yeah.
Come on. Okay. Maybe we should turn down the heat a little, maybe. But, so you can hear that beautiful sizzle. Beautiful. 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 Beautiful meat. So, you can chop it to your heart's content. It doesn't really matter how much you chop it. Give me a second. Sorry, we're back. Hopefully the meat is all nice. It is. Wow, that's nice. So that should be about ready. Let's just take it off the heat for a second, just so we can really actually see inside. Without burning our faces. Okay, probably. Oh, you can see it. Okay. So. Yeah, it's nice. I think that's about ready. I think Master Chef would say so. Okay, so now we're gonna place in half a can of cream of mushroom soup mix, and it depends how much you usually like to put in. If you like it really creamy, you should put in the entire can. If you don't care for the cream too much, this is actually our first time trying the recipe. We've done it before, but we haven't done it for a very long time. And yeah, so it doesn't look the nicest, but I mean, once you mix it all in, it's gonna look beautiful. Here's some gravy. We just had Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to all. Well, we have a lot of family from Canada, so we went over there to celebrate, and so we had Canadian Thanksgiving over there for them. So anyone in Canada, happy Thanksgiving! And anyone in the U.S., unfortunately, you still have to wait a month. I'm not too happy about it. I mean, probably if you watch my YouTube channel or you live with me, you probably know that I eat a heck of a lot. So, yeah. So, we'll turn the heat down a bit. But yeah, that's looking really nice. Probably a bit more soy sauce. And yeah. So that's looking pretty darn nice. Set it aside. Okay, so we'll turn off the heat. So now we just flatten it out a bit. Okay, so yeah, so we're just gonna take a little pause, at least for us, and yeah, we'll get back to you. Way back. So now it's time to put some nice corn on top. So just spread that nicely across the top. We're making kind of a poke chinois, which is, I think, Chinese pie, or no, Chinese dough or something in French. But yeah, that's what my Mima calls shepherd's pie. The thumbnail, or the title of the video, sorry, probably says like shepherd's pie / poke chinois, or I think it's pâté chinois. Yeah, pâté chinois, or something like that. So yeah, so just like thin it all out. You can add some broccoli if you'd like. Also, what's it called? Cauliflower is also really good. Our family kind of calls them the white trees. Trees in the snow, Canadian trees. But yeah. So yeah, there's your corn. I don't think I have enough corn. You have more corn? You can fill it in with some broccoli if you have any extra, like we do. We're pretty much using all leftovers, so okay. Well, we'll put the broccoli on the side. What? Oh yeah. So you put cream corn. Wait, we're doing that? Oh, so we put more cream and mushroom? No? Okay. Well, there's the rest of your pâté chinois. And now all that is left is the potato. Here! Wow! Oh, wow, what a coincidence. There's just a thing of potato there. So, it's just mashed potato. Just make yourself some mashed potato. If you don't know how, I might. Well, no. You just put you peel the potato and a bunch of potatoes, and you put it in a pan or a thing of boiling water. You boil them and then you mash them. Boom! You got beautiful mashed potatoes. Salt is really good on it. So yeah. So the cream of mushroom is just to make it a little bit creamier because sometimes no one likes a dry shepherd's pie. Shepherd's pie should be nice and creamy, especially pâte chinois. Cream corn is also extremely good because it's creamy. I think the best pâte chinois I've ever had is probably really creamy and didn't have any peas in it because peas are disgusting. Boo! No peas. No peas, please. Okay, so just a little bit more. Oh goodness. Okay, just spread that all out. Just everywhere. Just spread that everywhere. All over. So we're getting a really nice pâte chinois here. It's looking really nice. Shepherd's pie, pâte chinois, same thing, you know. So yeah. This is looking really, really good. So, I highly suggest making this. It is really good. And if you want, you can probably add a bit more cream of mushroom to the top. Yeah. And now you put the, oh gosh, that thing's heavy now. And now you put it in the oven. So let's get an oven view real quickly. Okay, so now just pop that in the oven. Hiya! Oh, and just in case you weren't preheating your oven, make sure to get yourself a nice little Evan. Hiya! We named him Evan because it's a funny name for this guy. So yeah, if it's preheated, you should really put it in like that because it'll be really hot. So yeah, now you just put that in and you're pretty much done. Now all you need to, okay, so now click convect bake and put it to 350. Start, and for how long? Now you can put cheese on it, but I don't really like cheese. No, it's weird. Haters are gonna hate on me now. Oh goodness, because I don't like cheese. Oh man, the orange towel. Oh wow, wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys. The orange towel doesn't like cheese. What? That is impossible. Totes possible, man. He doesn't like cheese. Okay, so maybe I don't like cheese, but that's okay. People don't like everything. No one's gonna like everything. There's no one who actually likes everything. Like, no. So, don't judge people for what they don't like because I don't like cheese. And yeah, guess how I feel. Not liking cheese. Well, my mom doesn't like cheese either, so if I was the only one in the family, that would be kind of weird. But, yeah, I don't like cheese. Final. I don't like ketchup either. It's just horrid. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and click up here if you want to watch. Click up here if you want to watch my cooking playlist, which has a playlist of all the things I've ever cooked on YouTube. And click down here to watch a video recommended for you. And click above my head to subscribe.